Hey again, what I want to talk in this video, I want to talk about the Firebase. So let's connect our project with Firebase and try to do login. So before everything, I will remove the project that I have it from the device. So just making sure like we start in the clean point. So make sure just go here, take it and uninstall it. So make sure you don't have anything. That's good. So second thing, I will go to the tools, then Firebase. We know the process. So in the analytic, so to see the analytic, you say, hey, you could do analytic for this one. So you say just log to analytic. He said no, you're not connected yet with the Firebase. Just click on it. He say, hey, do you want to create a new project? Let me name it Find My Phone. And just United States connect. It will take some time until he will create that for you. Here we go. After a while, he connected and everything is done. So now hopefully if I just go to the console, just refresh it, I have to see the project here. Here is it, Find My Phone. So what I want to do, I just want to use authentication, like allow user to use the database. So to allow the user the database, I will use anonymous authentication. That's me without anything. So make sure here, just go here and enable it. So anonymous authentication, that means user could log in without any information. Just register the user, just save it. You could do analytic part, but I'm not interested in the analytic part. I just interested only one part for the authentication. So if you just go to the authentication here, you will click here, you will see it will talk about authentication. You say to use authentication, first of all, you need to add these lines. So add them, so you'll be able to use authentication users. After that, he give you some process for how to work with authentication, but I'm not interested on this part, this part. Most one that I'm interested with is the login with anonymous. So if I just click at this one, it will give you complete documentation about how to log in with anonymous, like how to create an instance, initialize that instance, then how to do anonymous authentication, which is this function. So to follow the standard, I will just define instance from Firebase authentication. Let me just take this one up, hopefully wait for some time until he will complete this process for me. So just wait a second and see. Here we go. After a while, he complete everything for me. So what I will do, just go to the login. I will start working. So first of all, in the login here, I need to define a new instance from authentication. I say my m. I say variable, name it my auth, and this one should be part from Firebase authentication. Hopefully, you will be able to know what I'm meaning. Firebase authentication. Pum pum. Firebase authentication. Okay, initial value null. Okay, that's good. So this is just initial value for that variable. This variable needs to be initialized here. So my authentication should be Firebase authentication. Firebase authentication. Why? Dot get instance. So make sure just initialize it. So now the authentication has initialized it. Now just I could define the function for anonymous. So I just define function, name it anonymous, like sign in anonymous. In this way, you could give it any name that you would like, but I would like to name it sign in anonymous. So I say function sign in anonymous. Doesn't get any input, and that is this function. I wanted to be called automatically when the person see this page. This page should be seen one first time, just when the person login for the app. Then after that, you will not see it because the information will be saved and you know the process. So this sign as anonymous, what I have to do here, I say this. I say my auth dot this way because this is empty, could be empty value dot sign in anonymous, this method. Then you say dot add complete listener. So this one get number of parameters. So I would prefer, instead doing it this way, just copy this code. Okay, I don't want to do a lot of process, so he will just convert it for me to Kotlin. So I just basically say, do you want to convert it to Kotlin, to Java? I say, okay, convert it. Maybe later on you see it already as a Kotlin. So this is the process. It will take some time until we convert it for you. So basically, you just say sign in anonymous, add complete listener, this, and he will do this one. So if he's successful, he tell you, hey, he is successful, and he bring the user info for you. And if he don't, he will tell you why he not successful, why he failed. So I would keep this message and I will take this debug things, take this one and this one. Okay, now this one I would say instead to name it here application contents, you know that, authentication failure, and that is here my auth. I get the user info and I have it here. I don't need this one. I could show it in this message also, successful authentication just for first time, success, just see it and you have the user info. We will do the database thing in next video. So I think now everything should be good to go. So hopefully I don't have any more errors. Yes, I don't think I have any error now. So if I just click run, it will see if he will able to load it for us or he will have any error. Here we go. So you have to load this page. Before I do everything, you have to do successful authentication. Otherwise, that means there is error. So he told you successful authentication. Now, if you just go to the Firebase console, to the users analytics here, authentication, we have to be able to see that user. See, this is the anonymous users, and this is the user UID, and that is what I want. So now I have user UID. Now I understand everything. Now this user will be able to use the database for the next video. So yeah, now I think everything is cool. So let's go to the next and start implement other part of the application. But before you go, I'm sure we are using internet. So I have to add something here, use internet. I don't know how Firebase will be able to use the internet, but to be safe, add user internet here because you are using internet. So here we done. Thank you for watching and see you next.